In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to recover your Instagram account without an email or a phone number. So sometimes what happens is because you were offline for a very long time, say a few months or a year or two, you would not remember your Instagram password. And during that time period, when you were actually offline, you may have lost access to your email account, or maybe you've changed your number, whatever may be the reason. This is exactly what you need to do. So get to Instagram.com on a laptop or a smartphone, open any browser and just get to this page. Once you're here, you click on forgot password, and then out here, you need to put in a mobile phone number, your username or your email. So try putting in your username and click on continue. Now, this may not work for you because you don't have access to this email or your phone number. All right, so doing this normal thing is not actually going to help. So if you do not have access to your phone or your email, you are not going to be able to reset that password. But there is a trick with which, if you own the account, you could possibly recover it. All right, and not a lot of people are speaking about this. It has actually helped a lot of people. Okay, so what you need to do to recover your account for which you don't have access to your email or your phone is send an email across to this specific email address, which is going to actually help you. Instagram-android@meta.com. In the subject line, you could just type in recover my Instagram account for which I don't have access to my email or phone number. And in the message, you could just type in, hi team, I'm not able to access my Instagram account with user ID, whatever your user ID is. I was admitted at the hospital for a long time and now I'm back home. I don't have access to my email or phone. Could you help me regain access to my account, because I have a lot of photos and videos that I saved, my old photos with my mom and dad, etc. So in the email, you need to give them a valid reason to look into your account to see if they can actually give you access. And then, things could move further. All right, you should, tell them why you are wanting that account instead of just, creating a new account and starting all over again. Give them a reason. Okay. I can provide supporting documents if needed, awaiting your swift response. Regards, your name, sign off, send this email. So what you're doing here is requesting the developer team to see if they could help you to regain access to the account that you had earlier. So a lot of people utilize this method, and as a result, what happened was some of them were rejected. They were told to reset your password the normal way. But most people were actually asked for additional identity verification. It took at least 10 to 15 days more. But after their identity was verified, they got access to their Instagram account. The reason why I made this video for you today is for genuine reasons. Don't think that, you could just send a request for anybody's ID and get access to their account. No, it's not going to work that way, because they're going to do a facial ID verification, a document verification, a proper scan, or if needed, a Zoom call or an interview to actually go ahead and help you get access to your account. Okay, don't think that everything is by the books. No, it's not actually like that. If Instagram has to help you, they will actually help you, but they will make sure that it is only your account. So do let me know in the comment section below if you are a person who is genuinely trying to regain access to your own Instagram account, if this method worked for you. If it didn't, I will definitely look for other ways to help you out in this situation. All right, just send me an email or post a comment. Take care, my friend.